Where are we? Dalen's Mobile Detailing, baby.
Oh,
One
yeah.
and only. Tom's River, New Jersey.
Come
see
through.
us.
Like 918. Yo. So.
What's up?
What's up, Kelly? There they are. Adam, what are we doing today? Tonight.
What are we doing tonight? We got the headlights getting put into the 2015 WRX.
Getting rid of these. Oh
The
yeah.
OEM.
Trash. Psh.
The OEM guys. We already did the lip installation and the JDM grill. Get the American one out of there.
Oh, those are Kelly. What? Oh, those are sick.
They are sick.
So much better. Oh, what? Yo, how's that pit stop, bro? How's that pit stop?
It's nice, though. It's good. It was a good one.
You got a ticket?
You got a warning.
What are you doing? Speeding?
Yeah. Troopers,
Nice.
they're out there. They're good. Troopers are good. New Jersey State Police is good. They're good.
Yeah, they're not bad. The car meet the other night, they weren't bothering us.
They didn't at all.
At all. People doing burnouts.
They're burnouts.
Party!
Yo, what's the password? Yeah, they 3 brothers.
Nick, Kevin, and Jonas. Nick, Kevin, and what's the other one?
You're in.
Win?
Joe. Good.
Back attack. What's up, man?
What's the tickets, bro? What's the tickets?
10 mils, taking off the bumper.
Yeah, these are all 10. I'll do it after we take the bumper off, just about to know. God bless.
So much faster.
So much faster. I can't even believe I wrenched the other one.
Yeah, you're gonna hit the ceiling.
What do you think, Mark?
It's bugging me out that all
Joe's moving like a NASCAR pig right now.
Joe's like, is it gonna come apart? Yeah.
Nope, this one.
Is it going back together? I don't know.
I don't know. No.
How do you take that clip off?
You just push this in and then.
Is there another one at the bottom?
No, it's just this top one. There we go.
There you go.
All right.
Garbage. The heat.
Get rid of the couch.
Figure it out.
No. Oh, it's a freaking relay harness.
I don't think it's even long enough.
Yes, it is.
Jump rope.
Come on.
Jump rope. What is that? The relay harness. All right, time for it to do. Yeah, it's a real job. Yeah, it's job.
Here, I gotta tell you a secret. Come here. Just give me a really
You can't run. Kelly, what's this? What are we doing? Wine?
Right there until I
All
get better
red.
taillights.
Yeah, that would be much nicer. Until we get the Super Speed ones. I mean, Super Speed, if you're watching this and you want to sponsor, like, if you want to give us, you know, female driven, come on, yeah.
In case you guys have to.
Oh! Oh! Jack! Bro!
That's always breaking something, bro. On God.
Jack, I heard you want to blow up your car.
I'm not talking about this right now.
going on a snack run. Any requests?
Are you going?
Really quick.
Alright. I got a water in the car. Flavored water. Okay, cool.
Do you think you're cool driving this?
Okay, Kaylee, what again?
I don't know.
Decisions.
Last night-
Hard
last night I
decisions.
got mashed potatoes and mac and cheese, but
Hard decisions.
I'm not just gonna get beans.
Who orders just beans?
Psychos. Psychos. Should I get mashed potatoes and mac and cheese again? No, just mashed potatoes.
Just mashed.
Just mashed.
Medium.
Thanks. No thanks. Thank you. Oh wow. Yes. Here we go.
Snack run complete. Success. Thanks, Joe, for the rental car.
Let me get a bacon, egg, and cheese on a roll.
No bev.
No bev. It's a good bev though. But it ain't 99-cent Arizona iced tea, I'll tell you that.
I don't know what the hell. Good thing you got brakes, that's all I can say.
What's going on? What's going on, people? What's happening? Wow. She do be looking pretty.
I think it's good like that, honestly.
Yeah.
It's a straight to me.
The projector's on. And the fog.
But not the switch.
Not the strip. What'd you wipe the light down with?
What's up?
What'd you wipe the light down with?
It's just like a alcohol solution
Now's not the time.
prior to laying any sticker. Removes all oils and other residues that may screw up the
The film.
yeah, the stickiness.
Just here for moral support.
I just go sit on the water.
Inspiration.
The cheerleader.
I gotta put a little razor blade on there and fold it around. Cut it nice.
Red guy.
Over this edge.
Yep. Go right down the edge.
Yeah.
Pop this.
Kelly, could you pop the trunk?
How's the strawberry one? That's the real question.
Strawberry.
Is it strawberry?
How's the review?
Let me get a nibble.
0 out of 10.
There you go.
Hey, good.
Okay, good.
There it is, boys. It's pretty flawless.
Pristine.
Yeah, it's pretty much as good as you're gonna get. You can try it on here a little bit. Really shave it up. Be a little extra.
There we go.
Photos there.
Before,
That's good.
after.
Looks better.
Yeah, I like it a lot
Pretty
better.
good. Should be feed.
Yeah, till you buy Subi Speed taillights. And remember, Subi Speed, if you're watching, you know,
You know.
female-driven WRX. That's pretty rare.
Be blinding kids. That's
Oh,
good.
I put the high beams on. They're yellow.
That's
Oh,
badass.
sick.
Come on.
Gotta have the AP touch it.
Wow.
That's sick.
Very nice.
I'm about to go snippity skip on these freaking wires.
Adam, what are you going? Snippity snip snip?
Kelly said
Snippity snip
TikTok,
snip,
girl
kids.
saying she's
See you later,
got
kids.
pussy and
John.